Hello, fellow plant lovers. Today we're about to embark on a journey into the amazing world of succulents, a world filled with color, texture, and endless possibilities for creativity. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, succulents have something to offer everyone. You've probably noticed these beautiful quirky plants everywhere, on office desks, perched on sunny windowsills, and even gracing the glossy pages of home decor magazines. Their popularity has soared in recent years, and it's easy to see why. But what exactly makes succulents so special? It's all about their unique ability to store water in their thick, fleshy leaves, stems, or roots. This adaptation allows them to survive, and even thrive in environments where most other plants would struggle. From arid deserts to the cozy corners of your home, succulents are true survivors. Their variety is absolutely stunning. Imagine tiny green rosettes, dramatic spiky aloes, and whimsical trailing strings of pearls, all in one planter. Each type brings its own personality and charm, making it easy to find a succulent that matches your style. There's truly a succulent for every space, whether you have a tiny apartment shelf or a sprawling garden. They fit perfectly into any environment, big or small, and can be displayed solo or grouped together for a lush, eye-catching arrangement. Think of them as living sculptures, each one a unique piece of art. Succulents are famously low maintenance and forgiving, making them perfect for busy people, frequent travelers, or anyone who's new to plant care. They don't demand much, but they give so much in return. Worried about forgetting to water your plants? With succulents, that's rarely a problem. They can go for days, even weeks, without a drink, and still look fantastic. Their resilience is part of their magic. Succulents offer all the beauty and variety of traditional houseplants, but with a fraction of the effort. They thrive on minimal care, making them ideal for anyone who wants a touch of nature without the stress. Arranging succulents can be a calming, creative process. You can mix and match colors, shapes, and sizes to design your own living art. It's a wonderful way to express yourself and bring a bit of tranquility into your daily routine. Caring for them is not just easy, it's genuinely enjoyable. Whether you're assembling a terrarium or simply rearranging a few pots, you'll find yourself relaxing and reconnecting with nature. Succulents bring a sense of peace and a gentle touch of the outdoors into your home. Their presence can transform any space, making it feel more inviting and alive. More than just plants, succulents become little companions, reminding us to slow down, appreciate the small things, and find joy in simple, everyday moments. That's the special charm that's captured hearts all around the world. So, whether you're looking to start your first plant collection or add a new gem to your indoor jungle, succulents are the perfect choice to brighten your life. Love your succulents? Imagine turning one plant into dozens, free. That's the magic of propagation. Propagation lets you expand your collection and share plants with friends, all without spending more money. A single Echeveria can give you countless new plants over time. It's fun, rewarding, and feels a bit like performing a miracle. Watching a tiny leaf sprout roots and a new plant is pure satisfaction. Propagation is a creative, relaxing hobby that connects you to your plants. Plus, gifting a propagated succulent is a heartfelt way to share your passion, spread happiness, and introduce others to the joy of succulent gardening. Starting succulent propagation is easy. You probably have what you need at home. First, pick a healthy mother plant. Strong parents make strong babies. Use a shallow tray or container for your leaves or cuttings to callus. Well-draining succulent or cactus soil is essential for healthy roots. You can buy it or mix potting soil with sand or perlite. A small spray bottle helps you gently mist new roots without overwatering. That's it. A mother plant, tray, soil, and spray bottle. Your propagation toolkit. Let's get started. Propagating succulents from leaves is a simple, magical process that lets you witness the wonder of new life right in your own home. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, this method is both rewarding and surprisingly easy to master. Start by selecting a plump, healthy leaf from your succulent. Gently twist it off the stem, making sure you get a clean break. This is important, as damaged leaves are less likely to root successfully. Take your time and be gentle. A little patience here goes a long way. Next, place the leaves on a dry tray in a spot with bright, indirect sunlight. Allow them to rest for several days, sometimes up to a week, so the ends can callus over. This step is crucial. It helps prevent rot when you eventually introduce them to soil. Don't rush this part. Patience is key to healthy propagation. Once the ends are dry and calloused, lay the leaves flat on top of well-draining succulent or cactus soil. Make sure the base of each leaf is in contact with the soil surface, but don't bury them. This gives the roots the best chance to grow. Place your tray in a bright spot, but avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the delicate leaves. A windowsill with filtered light is perfect. The right lighting encourages healthy root and rosette development. At this stage, resist the urge to water. The leaves need time to send out roots before they can absorb moisture. Just let them be and trust the process. In about 1 to 2 weeks, you'll notice tiny roots emerging from the base of the leaves. Soon after, a small rosette, a baby succulent, will begin to form. This is the first sign that your propagation is working. Once you see roots, it's time to lightly mist the soil every few days. Use a spray bottle to avoid overwatering. The goal is to keep the soil just barely moist, never soggy. Be patient. Succulent propagation is a slow process. It can take several weeks or even a few months for the new plants to grow large enough to be transplanted. Don't be discouraged if progress seems slow. Every plant grows at its own pace. Over time, you'll see your single leaf transform into a brand new plant, complete with its own roots and leaves. It's truly amazing to watch this transformation unfold. The process may be slow, but the satisfaction of growing a new succulent from just a leaf is incredibly rewarding. Each new plant is a testament to your care and patience. Take a moment to enjoy the magic of new growth. Watching tiny roots and rosettes emerge is a reminder of nature's resilience and beauty. And that's leaf propagation in a nutshell. With a bit of patience and care, you can turn a single leaf into a thriving new succulent. Happy growing! Stem cuttings are a fast, effective way to propagate branching succulents like jade or sedum. Cut a healthy 2-4-inch stem with a few leaves using clean scissors. Remove the lowest leaves to expose a bit of stem. Let the cutting dry in a shaded spot for several days until the end calluses. Plant the calloused stem in well-draining soil, just deep enough to stand upright. Wait a week before watering to prevent rot. After that, water only when the soil is dry. In a few weeks, roots will form and new growth will appear. You've created a brand new succulent. The simplest way to get new succulents. Propagate offsets, also called pups or chicks. These baby plants grow at the base of the mother plant, ready to be separated. Wait until the pup is about a third the size of the parent and has some roots. Gently pull or cut the pup away, keeping roots intact if possible. If rootless, let the cut end callus for a day or two. Plant the offset in well-draining soil and place in bright indirect light. Wait a few days before watering. That's it. New plant, no fuss. Congrats on your new baby succulents. Bringing home these tiny plants is always exciting, and with a little care, you'll watch them flourish and grow into beautiful, healthy succulents. Whether you've propagated them yourself or picked them up from a nursery, these first few weeks are crucial for their development. Now, let's help them thrive. Start by gently arranging your baby succulents on well-draining soil. Make sure each one has enough space to breathe and isn't crowded by its neighbors. This helps prevent rot and gives each plant the best chance to root and grow strong. Baby roots are sensitive. Mist the soil lightly every few days, not the leaves. Using a spray bottle, aim for the base of the plant, keeping the leaves dry to avoid rot. The soil should feel just barely damp, never soggy. Overwatering is the most common mistake with young succulents, so always err on the side of caution. For stem cuttings and offsets, wait a week before the first watering, then water sparingly. This waiting period allows any cut ends to callus over, which helps prevent infection and encourages healthy root growth. After that, continue to water only when the soil is completely dry. Place them in bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh sun to prevent scorching. A spot near a sunny window with filtered light is perfect. Too much direct sunlight can burn their delicate leaves, while too little light can cause them to stretch and lose their compact shape. If they stretch or pale, they need more light. If they burn, move them to shade. Keep an eye on their color and shape. These are your best clues to their needs. Adjust their position as the seasons change, since sunlight intensity can vary throughout the year. Leave the mother leaf attached to leaf propagations until it withers naturally. The mother leaf provides nutrients to the baby plant as it grows, so don't remove it too soon. Once it dries up and falls off on its own, you'll know your baby succulent is ready for the next step. Once the baby is the size of a nickel and the mother leaf shrivels, transplant it to its own pot. Use a small container with drainage holes and fresh succulent soil. Handle the roots gently and give your new plant a few days to adjust before watering. Gradually shift to deeper, less frequent watering as they mature. Established succulents prefer to dry out completely between waterings. Water thoroughly, letting excess drain away, and always empty any water that collects in saucers. Patience is key. Watch them grow. With time, attention, and a little love, your baby succulents will reward you with vibrant colors and unique shapes. Enjoy the journey and celebrate each new leaf and root along the way. Propagation is easy, but beginners often make a few mistakes. Overwatering is the top cause of failure. Let leaves and cuttings callus and water sparingly. Always take a clean, intact leaf or healthy stem for best results. Avoid using old, damaged, or yellowing leaves. They rarely succeed. Research your plant. Not all succulents propagate the same way. Be patient. Some take weeks, others months to show growth. Don't give up if nothing happens right away. As long as your cuttings aren't rotting, they're still viable. Trust the process. Nature takes its time. You're ready to start your succulent propagation journey. With just a healthy plant, a few tools, and patience, anyone can do this. Not every attempt will succeed, but the rewards are worth it. The first time you see roots or a tiny rosette, you'll be hooked. Your succulents aren't just decorations, they're living, growing possibilities. Start small, experiment, and enjoy the process. Share your new plants with friends and family. Watch your collection and your appreciation for nature grow. Your adventure into the world of infinite succulents starts today. Happy propagating!